If you want to add a photo to a contact on Realme GT 8 Pro, what you can do is you can go to the phone app over here, make sure that homepage is selected, and then we need to open the list of contacts. So you can either use view contacts in here, or you can tap on these three dots in the upper left corner and choose contacts in this place. Then we're gonna select the contact that we want to manage, tap on this pen icon at the top. Now we can tap on this avatar that we have in here, and we have all different ways to choose which image we want to set for that contact. You can open the camera and take a picture right now. You can open the gallery. You can also choose Google Photos. We also have monogram and illustrations. So in my case, I'm gonna go to the gallery. And now in here, we can choose whichever photo we want to set up. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. We can zoom in and zoom out and adjust the position if needed. You can also rotate the photo by using this arrow over here in case you want to do so, and we can confirm our selection by tapping on choose at the bottom of the screen, and also tap on save in the upper right corner. That is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.